Hey guys, I'm back with another DIY. This time it's a baby shower gift. Watch as I create this beautiful wardrobe basket. Here is the basket already intact. I got the basket from Michael's. I got the poles from Home Depot. I bought 3 of them and then I had them cut. I used clear Gorilla Glue and glue gun to uphold the poles. The items here that I have are from my friend's baby shower registry. So I picked a few items here to be able to put in the basket. Next, I put these Michael's stickers all over the front of the basket. I found that letter B and I used the clear Gorilla Glue to paste it on the front of the basket. Here I added a garland that I got from Amazon here. A few little baby clothes that I got all from H&M. And there you have it. I added a card underneath the elephant nose. It's so cute there.